What if I told you you could send a DoorDash gift card to anyone in less than 2 minutes? No wrapping, no shipping, and no awkward last-minute stress. Whether it's for a birthday, a thank you, or an emergency I forgot gift. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to send a DoorDash gift card step by step, the fastest method, and a mistake most people make that can delay delivery. So stay till the end. It'll save you time and money.
DoorDash gift cards are one of the most popular digital gift cards in the US right now because they work for food delivery, groceries, convenience stores, and even alcohol in some states. But a lot of people still get confused about how to send a DoorDash gift card, especially through text or email. Let's fix that right now.
First, open the DoorDash app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in. Tap on Gift Cards. You'll usually find this under your account or search bar. Now choose DoorDash e-gift card. Select the amount. Common options are $25, $50, or $100. Then enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Yes, you can send a DoorDash gift card by text message or email. Add a personal message. This increases redemption rates, by the way. Confirm your payment, and that's it. The recipient usually gets the gift card instantly. Don't want to use the app? No problem. Go to the official DoorDash website and click on Gift Cards. Choose e-gift card, select your amount, and enter the recipient's email. This method is perfect if you're on a desktop or sending gifts in bulk. Now listen carefully. This part is important. DoorDash gift cards do not expire, but they can only be used in the US, so don't send one to someone outside the country. Also, always double-check the email or phone number. Once it's sent, you can't cancel or reverse it. And here's a pro tip. Tell the recipient to add the gift card to their DoorDash account immediately. This prevents lost emails and unused credits.
To redeem a DoorDash gift card, they just open the app, tap Credits and Gift Cards, enter the code, and it applies automatically at checkout. No fees, no minimum order.
So now you know how to send a DoorDash gift card, the fastest way, the safest way, and how to avoid common mistakes. If this saved you time, hit the like button. And if you want more quick how-to guides like this, subscribe. I post videos that make everyday stuff easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.